Let her go, Weezer!
What have you and Judy been up to?
Let her go!
You turned her against me?
You have done that yourself, Weezer!
You will not take her from me!
Your anger and your lust for power have already done that, Weezer. You have allowed this Dark Llama to twist your mind until now. Until now, you have become the very thing you swore to destroy.
Don't lecture me, General Neutron. I see through the lies of the Neutrons. I do not fear the duck side as you do. I have brought peace, inhalers, llamas, and warm milk to my new empire.
Your new empire?
Don't make me eat your croissant.
Weezer, my allegiance is to Retroville, to the city!
Hey!
If you won't share my croissant, then you're my enemy.
Only a Weezer deals in absolutes. Yeah, I will do what I must.
You will try.
I failed you, Weezer! I was never able to teach you to think!
I should have known the Neutrons were planning to take over.
Weezer, Chancellor Llama is evil!
From the Neutron point of view. From my point of view, the ducks are evil.
Well, then you are lost!
This is the end for you, my master. I wish it were otherwise.
It's over, Carl! I have the high ground.
You underestimate my power.
You don't try it.
Ah! Ow, my scapula.
You were the chosen one! It was said that you would destroy the llamas, not join them! It was you who would bring balance to the ducks, not leave them in darkness!
I hate you!
You were my brother, Weezer! I love you!
Ah!